Registration of marriage between Indian citizen and foreigner. Yes, Indian laws allow the registration of marriage between an Indian and foreign citizen if both the groom and bride who wants to get their marriage registered are Hindus, including Jains, Buddhists, and Sikhs. Then the marriage can be solemnized and registered under both the Hindu laws as well as the Special Marriage Act. However, if the parties to the marriage are of different religion, then they can only get their marriage registered under the Special Marriage Act. Laws for marriage between Indian citizen and foreign national. First, Hindu law. Hindu Marriage Act. Under Hindu Marriage Act, marriage can take place between any two Hindus, including Buddhists, Jains, and Sikhs in India. But there are few conditions to be fulfilled by both the parties, which have been provided below. One of the parties has to be Indian citizen. Neither party has any spouse living at the time of marriage. Both parties are capable of giving valid consent and are not of unsound mind. Both parties are fit for marriage and procreation of children and are not suffering from any disease which makes them unfit. Neither party has been suffering from attack of insanity. Husband has completed the age of 21 years and bride has completed the age of 18 years. Next, parties are within the degree of prohibited relationships unless the custom or uses governing each of them permits of marriage between them two. Parties have to perform the ceremonies and customary rites of either party to solemnize the marriage. In case the rites and ceremonies includes जिसे सप्तादि कहते हैं, taking seven steps, जिसे 7 चक्र जिसे कहा जाता है, taking 7 steps together before the sacred fire. The marriage becomes complete when the 7th step is taken. तो जैसे 7वां फेरा आपका कंप्लीट होगा वो शादी आपकी हो गई एज पर हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट. अब स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट की बात करते हैं. अंडर स्पेशल मैरिज एक्ट मैरिज कैन टेक प्लेस बिटवीन एनी टू इंडिविजुअल इन इंडिया रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ देयर रिलीजन, but there are a few conditions to be fulfilled by both the parties, which are I am going to provide you. First is one of the parties has to be Indian citizen. Second is neither party has any spouse living at the time of the marriage. Third is both parties are capable of giving valid consent and are not of unsound mind. Fourth is both parties are fit for marriage and procreation of children and are not suffering from any disease which make them unfit. Neither party has been suffering from attack of insanity. Next is husband has completed the age of 21 years and the bride has completed the age of 18 years. Next is parties are not within the degree of prohibited relationships unless the customary or uses governing each of them permits the marriage between them two. Parties has to give at least 1 month advance written notice to the marriage officer in district like SDM in Delhi before solemnization of marriage, in which either party to the marriage has reside for a period of 1 month or more immediately before the date of notice. If the permanent address is different, then the district officer will transmit the notice to the district where either party permanently resides.